Welcome to topic 10 of module 2, Anomaly Detection using Unsupervised Machine Learning. Let's glance at how unsupervised machine learning works with the anomaly detection. Primarily, we have used the supervised machine learning classifier, which solves the problem to divide us into two classes, so normal and abnormal. But in unsupervised machine learning algorithm, we use the technique to find the patterns in the data. So we are not giving any labels, and we ask the algorithm to find us the anomaly in the given data set. We have a one class support vector machine SVM, and we are detecting anomalies by fitting the SVM with the data belonging to only one single class. And we also perform some parameter tuning as well. There are some parameters which are associated with SVM, like the NU parameter, and it is well suited for the radial based function kernels. If we have a radial based function kernel for the data set, it will be a very good fit for SVM. Another technique is the isolation forest that we will see. So the tree which is isolated from the rest of the tree will be considered as an anomaly, and we will look it into the data set. We have to see the other things as well. We have like the path length we need to see in the isolation forest. We will be using density-based method like the local outlier factor as well for anomaly detection in the case study part. So that's all from here. I also want to discuss the practical design considerations. So optimization for explainability, that is very, very important for an anomaly detection system, that it should have the capability to define or to explain the alert that it has generated, and it will ease the job of the security experts a lot. Another important point is the maintainability of the anomaly detection system. So longevity and the usefulness of the machine learning is dictated not by accuracy and efficacy. Basically, it's the understanding, maintainability, and ease of configuration of the anomaly detection system. Human feedback integration is also another important parameter. In untrusted environment, uh, directly integrating human feedback into the model training can have negative effects as well. And we need to see the input a lot as well, so that the input that we are giving it to the model, it has to be trusted. Otherwise, it can have a lot of side effects on the whole process of the machine learning as well. That's all from the module 2 of anomaly detection, and I see you all in module 3. Thank you all.